Hi Rasmus users. Today I'm going to talk to you about setting up an ABC data collection program. ABC programs are unique because you can only have one of these behavior incident program types per client. You can have multiple templates for them for your organization, but you can only assign one per client. And they actually are accessible outside of a session. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. But let's start with this kiddo here. I'm going to create a behavior incident program specifically for this learner. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to programs and then click add program and select behavior incidents. And I'll just call this ABC data collection. And if you want to create it from a client's profile and add it to the library, you can do that just like with other programs. The big difference here is when you go to targets, you're going to see these different groups. So you have antecedents, behaviors, consequences. You can add as many groups as you like. So if you wanted to add one for location, then you can add an item for location, or a title or a group for location, and add things like library, center, home, and that will be the options for the ABC program. Antecedents can be demand, behavior can be elopement, then a consequence was break, and then we'll click save. And I just did a couple of quick examples there, but now I want to point you over to the right-hand side, the top corner of the screen. You can see we have this little icon here. If I were to go and add a program, you'd see behavior incidents is now grayed out because we have added that ABC data collection behavior incidents program. So now I can click this at any time and I can record this information at any time from the learner's profile. So the other cool thing I can do as well is if, for example, you wanted to put a new, let's say, location, we wanted to add an additional location. So let's say we want to do park. We can add in more options at any time by just typing and clicking enter, and that will add some more options to that list, and that will show up for the next time you take ABC data. So if I go in, if I were to record this, the next time I go to take this data, we'll see that additional location. The other thing you can do is add the ABC data program directly from the program library. So if there was an organization-wide ABC data program already created, you'd be able to copy that over to a client. Again, you can only do one behavior incidents program per client. But you can create that program directly within your program library here as well. So if you want to create a behavior incidents program for the program library that gets used for all clients, then you can create one same exact way in your library as well.